Okay, let's talk about the penalties for shoplifting, or petty theft as we call it here in Florida. And first, let me remind you, I'm an attorney. We love disclaimers. We write the small print on everything. I've got a big one for you today. I don't normally do this, but these penalties we're going to talk about, they probably don't apply to you. Don't get all worked up. If you get a good attorney, you can ignore most of these penalties. It'll be taken care of. So with that in mind, with that disclaimer in mind, let's go through this real quick. The penalties for petty theft are going to come in three varieties, and it depends on really your prior record and the value of the goods allegedly shoplifted. And we're going to start with the least serious. That's if you're accused of stealing something under $100. That's a second-degree misdemeanor petty theft, punishable by up to 60 days jail, 6 months probation, and a max $500 fine. Now, if the stuff was worth over $100, and usually it is, because it doesn't take much to get over 100 these days, that's a first-degree misdemeanor. You can get up to a year in jail. You can get a $1,000 fine and 1 year probation for that. But shoplifting can also be a felony, and so now we've got felony penalties associated with that. So if the items shoplifted were worth more than $750, this happens. I mean, just go to like a Coach or a Gucci store, and one little tiny coin purse could probably get you over $750. Well, that's no longer considered petty theft anymore. Over $750 is called grand theft, and that shoplifting is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison, a $5,000 fine, and 5 years probation. Now, the second way you can turn a shoplifting into a felony is if you happen to have 2 prior theft convictions, even from 40 years ago. They can upgrade your third shoplifting to a felony that, again, is going to be punishable by up to 5 years prison and 5 years probation and a $5,000 fine. Now, this could be, the value doesn't matter. So, for example, if you took a $2 pack of Bubblicious bubble gum, and I'm not even sure they still make Bubblicious, but that $2 pack of gum is going to get you a felony because of the 2 priors. Value doesn't matter. So there you have it. That's the range of penalties for petty theft. And I don't want you to get too worked up over this. Get yourself a good attorney. If this happened in Orange, Seminole, or Osceola County, that's my backyard, give my office a call and let's see if we can help you through this. And of course, I thank you for watching. Take care.